How to turn off email discover notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off email discover notifications on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok, and here you will find profile, and now click the storylines, and then click settings and privacy. Here you will find this one here, push notifications, and scroll down, click email notifications, and here you will find discover. If you want to turn it off, all you need to do is just click on it, and as you see here, email discover notifications have been turned off. And now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.